Hey everybody, Brandon here with my good friend Ava, who looks surprised to be here. We have a little announcement. We're going to be launching a community for the Tech Audit TV fan base, and this will be a place where I'll be hanging out as well as all of you, and we'll be hosting the community on Discord. If you're not familiar with what Discord is, you're going to love it. It's a super cool platform, very similar to Slack, but much more built for A, gamers, and B, just a really good community. Isn't that right? Yes. Go ahead. I put the link down below in the description, and that will take you right to the server, and you will be able to join and have a good time. We'll be talking about, we'll be sharing articles to cool tech news, deals that everybody finds on like good monitors or whatever it is. Like, if you are into technology at all and you geek out in any way about that kind of stuff, this group is for you. So join us on Discord. The link is down in the description below. And I do have more videos coming. I got another one coming very soon that will talk more about the 2018 year that this channel has had, and more importantly, the 2019 year that's planned. So maybe Ava will stop by in some of the videos or the Discord. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you so much for all those who have stuck with the channel. It's been awesome, and I'm really excited for the next year. So once again, click on that link down below, join the Discord, and I'll see you in there for some good times. Thanks, everybody.